Hello YouTube, hold down clamps. We had these pieces and the holes are in it. We just made them bigger and made the holes there. This is a 1/2 inch diameter, I'm positive. It's not the greatest. We'll unscrew these, take these out. We got a couple options. You can do this of how to use these. Okay, we can also use these like this. And I found these somewhere, but we cannot use them like, because this hole's not centered in the piece. I think you know what I mean. See, this hole ain't centered in the piece. We can't use them like this because it will not clear this. Maybe we put a washer on it or something. I think you know what I mean. Turn this back around like this. Let's not waste valuable camera time. That'd be something real small. And these are aluminum. Okay, we're going to make a couple out of some other pieces of metal. So that's the project. We're going to actually start from scratch and make something. So those are nice. So these are metric bolts. I don't know what they are. Metric 6 or whatever. We'll try to get you a measurement of what they are. So I'm always using them and then I can never tell you what size they are. We'll be right back. We'll measure these. Okay, these are a 6mm bolt with a 10mm head, and one of my videos I showed the package I get them at Harbor Freight, because you get so many for a cheap price that I'll use them. I said I got metric wrenches. Okay, off to making some more clamps from scratch. I don't know how thick these are, but they're 1/2 inch wide, about 1.25 inches long. This is kind of overkill, but I'm trying to match them in the vise, filing off the corners, the ends, so the other ends I've already done. Just good practice when you're building little stuff. And the file doesn't take long to grind the metal off, and I hacksawed it by hand, so they're pretty accurate. Okay, like I said, it's good practice. I mean, they're kind of rough here and there, we're kind of saying it, but they're 1.25 inches because it's 5/8 to the hole, so you figure 1/2 inch, quarter is 5/8. I think I'm right. I'm going to try to drill both these at the same time, stacked in the vise. Good luck. Just some more hold downs for stuff. Said today we're going to make whatever we got. This is off a piece of angle iron. Okay, I sliced the angle iron down when I made the thing to hold my drill press vise, and I've had it that many years. I have a drawer where I store stuff like this. Small stock that's pretty dimensional. I can't tell you the thickness. Next time I come back, I'll tell you. Okay, you can see it's 1/8 of an inch thick. I think that shows up good enough. Okay, we're spot drilling these before we go to the drill press with the cordless drill. These are these weird cobalt bits. Is that weird split point? It almost makes like a triangle hole. But they're the best bits I got, so that's why we're doing that. We're doing it now, so we go to the drill press. We're going to be spot on. We'll be right back. Well, we end up drilling one with our cordless drill because we got off in the drill press. It's really hard to hold small stuff in big drill press, but my mistake. I just need to find a better way to drill small things so the bit don't wander, but they'll work. Just an example. You can always put washers under there or something if you want to clamp a little different. Just another set of hold downs. Okay, we're off to make another type. We want to make several sets of this so we have a little container when we use this. Okay, break time then, we'll go back to work. Okay, these might be my best ones yet. These are made from a door hinge. All kinds of possibilities. I made the hole bigger here. There goes the bolt. What a shame. You could even put them, you know, kind of like that. You could even stand them up on end. Let's set them up a couple different ways and we'll come back. Okay, here's another idea. I haven't tested it yet. I just got that strip in there. Let's try something else. Now I did drill this hinge out to the bolt to go this way. I don't think that'll work. Maybe in some kind of a use you can hold something, but it's just too awkward. Okay, we had enough. It's hot. We're going inside. It is getting very hot and humid in here. We're done. We're going to go put all this stuff in the computer and make another video. Thanks for watching.